Hello everyone! The development of science and technology made us know about cyberspace, which is a concept describing a widespread, interconnected digital technology that offers a new reality in virtuality, and it can be a one-way or two-way communication. For example, Facebook, Instagram, online market, online travel, YouTube, Twitter, WhatsApp, Grab, Gojek, and etc. Before talking about this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and support my work by liking my videos. These are the characteristics of cyberspace. 1. Running in virtuality. 2. There isn't any border. 3. The users in cyberspace do not have to show their real identity to do their activities. And then 4. The information in cyberspace is for public. Most of the people like to communicate using social media right now. It can be seen from many of toddlers sit high to watch YouTube while they are being fed by their parents. Many of families are busy with their gadget while they are having meals together. Many people like to surf in social media with many kinds of reasons, such as looking for materials for their thesis, foods, soulmates, playing online games, or even looking for the teaching materials like I do. As we see the development of modern people right now, which are not able to be separated from social media and the development of science and technology, we have to realize the ethics of surfing in social media. Do not let us be ensnared by hoax or any cybercrimes. Therefore, we have to pay attention to the ethics of cyberspace. The reasons that we have to have ethics in cyberspace are as follows. 1. The users of cyberspace come from many kinds of countries with their own cultures, language, tradition, and many other things. 2. The users of cyberspace can be anonymous and they don't have to give their real identity to interact with each other. 3. The user of cyberspace is increasing in number every day. These are few of ethics in cyberspace that you have to pay attention to. 1. Using clear and good language. 2. Avoid writing insulted, racist, and porn words. 3. Capital letters. The using of capital letters are usually describing that the person is angry or in high emotional situation. 4. Be careful with the information that we got. Do not let us be ensnared by hoax. 5. Limit your information. As a good cyberspace user, we have to limit the information that can or cannot be spread out in cyberspace. We have to know whether the information is private or not, so it will not become a defamation or hate speech. 6. Avoid personal attack. The users of cyberspace often argue with each other and they might use unpolite words. 7. Choose the content wisely. There are a lot of positive and negative information in cyberspace, so we have to choose them wisely by not accessing the negative content such as porn or racist content. 8. Copyright. We have to honor someone's copyright and we cannot steal any information that has copyright in it. 9. Obey the laws and norms in cyberspace. The things that you have to avoid when you surf in cyberspace. 1. Do anything that harm other users. 2. Give any insulted comments. 3. Make any transactions that are prohibited by the government, such as illegal goods, drugs, or any other things. 4. Post porn content. 5. Doing cybercrime. My friends, you have to know that speaking politely can avoid us from the conflict with many people. The cyberspace is very wide, and we might be charged and have to be in trial because our hoax or racist postings. As young generation, it is not wrong to surf in cyberspace, but we have to pay attention to its ethics so our activities in cyberspace can be a blessing for other people. Well, happy surfing everybody!